This is a 2008 Audi A4. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, a locking differential, heated windshield washer fluid so when you need to clean your windshield in freezing temps, you can, alloy wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a toolkit, front and rear floor mats, front airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, and this vehicle has fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Phil Long Used Cars is located at 1510 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.